Hi, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. Today I want to teach you the pattern of an Irish crochet lace applique. So let's go. Wrap the yarn around your index and middle fingers 4 times, 3 and 4. Insert your hook and loop loop. Chain 1. Make 2 single crochets in this circle, 1 and 2. Make 26 double crochets in this ring, 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 26 double crochets. Now crochet 2 single crochets in this ring. At the end of the round, make a single crochet instead of slip stitch. Chain 2, skip 1 stitch, and make a half double crochet. Next stitch, chain 2, skip 1 stitch, make a double crochet in next stitch, chain 2, skip 1 stitch, and make a double crochet in next stitch. Keep going, chain 2, skip 1 stitch, insert your hook into next stitch to make a double crochet, chain 2, and repeat. At the end of the round, 3 stitches have remained. Chain 2, then skip 1 stitch, then make a half double crochet, next stitch, chain 2, skip 1 stitch, and make a single crochet in first single crochet. Make 2 single crochets in first space. Make 2 half double crochets in next space. Make a double crochet in next stitch. Make 2 double crochets in next space, 1 and 2. Make a double crochet in next stitch and make 2 double crochets in next space. Make a double crochet in next stitch. Keep going. At the end of the round, 3 spaces have remained. Make 2 double crochets and make a double crochet in this stitch. Make 2 half double crochets in next space, 1 and 2. Make 2 single crochets in next space and make a slip stitch in next stitch. Make a slip stitch. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip 3 chains and make 8 double crochet in third loop of first chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make a double crochet in next chain, third loop of each chain. Make a double crochet in third loop of each chain, third loop only. Make a double crochet in third loop only. Make a double crochet in third loop of each chain. And the last time, make a double crochet in last chain. Now I'm going to crochet a slab stitch in third stitch. Make a slab stitch in third stitch. Chain 1. Now I'm going to crochet a reverse single crochet in each stitch. Insert your hook into the previous stitch and pull loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook into the previous stitch and pull loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Keep going. Make a reverse single crochet in these 3 chains too. Make a reverse single crochet, make a reverse single crochet, make a reverse single crochet. Keep going all around your applique. At the end of the round, insert your hook in the first stitch, then pull through. Chain 1, cut the yarn off. Thank you for watching my video. We truly appreciate you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you later, guys.